Hello and namaste to everyone. So in my last video of trigonometry, I have explained to you how we have calculated the value for various angles of all the trigonometric ratio. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how we are supposed to learn these values, because these all are very important values and a lot of questions are asked in exams on the basis of these values. So let's see. Let us suppose an angle A. Now for 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So in this video, I am going to tell you if we have learned the value for one trigonometric ratio. Like if we have learned the value for sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 16, sine 90, then how we can calculate the values for all other trigonometric ratio. What is sine of 0 degree? Sine of 0 degree is 0. Sine of 30 degree is half. Sine of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine of 60 degrees root 3 by 2 and sine of 90 degrees 1. Okay. So now how are we going to calculate all other trigonometric ratios if we know these values? Okay, first of all, we just need to know the value of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now once we write all these values in reverse order, we are going to get the value of cos, that is cos for all the angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. What we have to do, we just have to write all these values in reverse order. So let's write. 1 will come here, root 3 by 2 will come here, 1 by root 2 will come here only, half will come here and 0 will come here. What does this gives us? This gives that cos of 0 degree is equal to 1, cos of 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos of 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, cos of 60 degree is equal to half, and cos of 90 degree is equal to what? 0. So what we have done, we have just written the value for sine of all these angles, and then we have written all these values in reverse order. Okay, once we have written all these values in reverse order, we have easily got the value of cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree and cos 90 degree. How are we going to find out the value of tan? Okay, I'm going to rub this just to explain a little concept to you. What is tan theta equals to? That is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Right? Can I say tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta? So tan of 0 will be equal to sine 0 over cos 0. Tan of 45 will be equal to what? Sine 45 over cos 45. Tan of sine 45 over cos 45, right? Tan of 60 will be equal to what? Sine 60 over cos 60, right? So if I divide these values, right? If I just divide these values, can I say, like, if I am going to divide 0 by 1, am I going to get the value for tan 0 degree? Yes. How am I going to get the value of tan 0 degree? That is sine 0 degree upon cos 0 degree. That is 0 upon 1 is what? 0. Right? In the similar manner, if I divide 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2, we'll get tan 30 degree as 1 by root 3. What will be tan of 45 degree? Sine 45 degree upon cos 45 degree. That is 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. Both are same. So tan of 45 degree will be equal to what? 1. Now see. This is 60 degree. Sine of 60 upon cos of 60 will be equal to what? Tan of 60 degree. That is equals to root 3. And tan of 90 will be 1 upon 0 and we know 1 upon 0 is equal to nothing what will be the value of cot? Cot is just the reciprocal of tan, right? So if this is 0 upon 1, right, then this will become 1 upon 0, and we know 1 upon 0 is what? Not defined, right? So cot of 0 is not defined. Now tan of 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So cot of 30 degree becomes root 3. That is root 3 upon 1. That is equal to what? Root 3 only. Cot of 45 degree will be equal to what? 1. Cot of 60 degree will be equal to 1 upon root 3. Because tan of 60 degree is root 3 upon 1. Right? Right? So cot of 60 degree will be equal to 1 upon root 3. And cot of 90 degree. Interestingly, you can again write here 1 upon not defined. But see, if you are going to write here, then you are going to make an error. You have to remember why this is not defined. Because we have denominator as 0. But if denominator as 0 goes in the numerator and 1 comes in denominator, then clearly it is defined. So this will become 0 upon 1, which is equal to 0. Right? So cot of 0 degree is not defined, cot of 30 degree is root 3, cot of 45 is 1, cot of 60 degree is 1 by root 3, cot of 90 degree is 0. Now let's see. Let's find out the value of cosec. Cosec is what? Again the reciprocal of sine. So cosec of 0 becomes 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Cosec of 30 becomes 2 upon 1, which is equal to nothing but 2. Similarly, cosec of 45 degree becomes root 2 upon 1, which is equals to root 2. Cosec of 60 degree becomes 2 upon root 3, right? And cosec of 90 degree becomes 1, because the reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. This is how I find out the value for all the cosec, that is cosec 0 degree equal to not defined, cosec 30 degree equals to 2, cosec 45 degree equal to root 2, and cosec 60 degree equal to 2 upon root 3, cosec 90 degree equal to 1. Let's find out all the values for sec. Now sec theta is equals to what? 1 upon cos theta, right? So the reciprocal of all the values of cos is going to be what? Sec theta. Reciprocal of all the values of cos is going to be equal to sec of that very angle. So if cos of 0 degree is equal to 1, can I say sec of 0 degree will also be equal to 1? Because the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. I can say cos of 30 degree will be equals to, cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So sec of 30 degree will be equals to 2 upon root 3. Now cos of 45 degree equal to 1 upon root 2. So sec of 45 degree will be equal to root 2 upon 1. That is equal to what? Root 2. Cos of 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. So sec of 60 degree will become 2 by 1. That is equal to what? 2 itself. And now sec of 90 degree will be reciprocal of 1 upon, sec of 90 degree will be reciprocal of cos 90, which is equal to what? 0, 0. So sec of 90 degree will be 1 upon 0, which is equal to nothing but not defined. Less space here, I am writing it. This becomes 1 upon 0, that is equal to not defined. In this table, ND means not defined. So now you have clearly seen, if I know the value for one trigonometric ratio for all the angles, that is, if I have learned all the values for sine 0 degree, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then I can easily find out this whole table. Then I can easily find out the value of all these angles for cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. So this is how you have to learn this table, and you have to make this table quickly in your exam. It is really important table, and a lot of questions are being asked on the basis of these values. It is not only important for your board exams but also for a lot of other competitive exams. So I hope By this method, you are able to learn this table, you are able to memorize this table, and this method helps you. If you have any queries, please mention it in comment section. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.